Welcome back to Home Decor. Today we are diving into some brilliant kitchen organization ideas, especially tailored for small kitchens. From space-saving shelves to clever containers, these ideas will transform your tiny kitchen into a tidy, stylish, and functional space. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. In small kitchens, wall space is gold. Use wall mounted racks for hanging pans, ladles, spatulas, or even cutting boards. Magnetic knife strips are a sleek solution that keeps sharp knives off your countertop. Install a few adhesive hooks or rail systems to hang mugs, measuring spoons, or even dish towels. This clears up cabinet space and keeps things within reach. Make the most of unused areas like corners and sinks. An over the sink shelf helps you to store dish soap, sponges, and even plants while freeing up your countertop. Corner racks or corner shelves organizers are great for storing spices, small jars, or condiments. Use tiered corner shelves to create vertical storage for easy access and better visibility. Say goodbye to messy drawers. Drawer dividers help separate cutlery, utensils, and kitchen gadgets. You can even find expandable ones that fit any drawer size. Use small organizers inside drawers to keep baking items, kitchen scissors, peelers, and measuring cups in order. Clear label dividers work best if you like a clean aesthetic. Utilize vertical space inside cabinets by adding under-shelf baskets. These are great for storing snacks, napkins, or small dishes. Pull-out cabinets, organizers, and lazy Susan help access the back of deep cabinets. Stackable shelf risers let you store plates and bowls without wasting space. And don't forget adhesive cabinet door bins, perfect for cling wrap, foil, or cleaning supplies. Use clear, airtight containers for dry goods like rice, lentils, pasta, or snacks. They make your pantry look neat and let you see exactly what you have. Label each container for quick access and aesthetic appeal. Use uniform sizes to stack them easily and save space. In very tight spaces, foldable or multi-purpose furniture is your best friend. Consider a folding wall-mounted dining table or a kitchen trolley cart with wheels. Rolling carts can store frequently used items and can be rolled out of the way when not in use. You can even use the top of the cart as extra prep space. Your fridge can get cluttered too. Use clear fridge bins to group similar items like sauces, dairy, or fruits. Add egg trays, can dispensers, and even shelf liners to keep everything clean and sorted. In the freezer, use bins or freezer safe baskets to store items by category. Label aren't just for looks, they save time and confusion. Label every container, bin, and drawer so everyone knows where things belong. Also, embrace minimalism. Avoid cluttering your kitchen with too many items. Donate or store items you rarely use to keep your kitchen functional and clean. Here is a bonus tip. Use the inside of cabinet doors for more than just hangage. Install small racks, clip holders, or even chalkboard panels for writing groceries, lists, or meal plans. You can also stick measuring charts or spice conversions for easy reference while cooking. These hidden spaces are often overlooked but can make a big difference in a compact kitchen. With a little creativity and the right tools, even the smallest kitchen can feel open and organized. Let us know in the comments which idea you love the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Home Decor for more inspiring content. Happy organizing!